Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun pop-up card for you. This is my Happy Summer pop-up card. You've got that really cool front cover panel, and then when you open it up, it says Happy Summer there, and it's got all of those fun embellishments. The surfboard here on the bottom, you've got flip-flops and flowers and palm trees. I mean, what else could really scream summer? There's a messaging panel that's included. You can put this on the back or you can put it inside the card if you want. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is so much fun to make and I can't wait to show it to you. So take a look at the materials list and let's get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2024. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP24. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Go ahead and click on that icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. And lastly for the pop-up piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the card base, and the pop-up piece, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything all cut out and I'll see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish all the score lines on the pop-up piece. I'll be popping up a little graphic that's going to show you how to fold these score lines. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it up, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all set. Alright, there we go. I have all that folded and burnished. So I'll set that to the side for just a minute. Let's take our card base and fold and burnish along the score line. And now let's attach the pop-up piece to the inside of the card. I'm going to start with the bottom here. And now I'm going to place that on the card base. And press that down. And now I'm going to add glue everywhere that the card base would touch. So I'm going to do right here on these arms, around the clouds, just not on the center portion that has the text. And now I'm just going to fold down on the card base and give everything a good press. And there we have our pop-up piece all in the card. Now that can go ahead and sit there for a second. Now it's time to go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all of these different pieces together, so I will refer you to that. I'm going to layer everything together and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, there is our cute cover panel. Let's go ahead and set that to the side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and layer up the different pieces that are going to be necessary to decorate the inside of the pop-up card. Once again, I'm going to refer you to that layering guide while I put all of this together. Alright, so now that I have all of our different embellishments done, let's go ahead and start to add them to the inside of the card. I'm going to start with the waves and the surfboard. And now I'm going to add the little flowers here to this section of the pop out. And now the two flip-flops. And lastly, the two palm trees. Alright, so the inside of our card has been all decorated. Let's go ahead and fold that up and attach our front cover panel to the front of the card. There we go. Now I have also included a messaging panel here. You can add this either to the front instead of the surfboard. You can not include it at all and just use the waves to write your message, or you can put it on the back. I'm actually going to use it, and I'm going to put it on the very back of the card. And there we go. I will set that to the side for a moment. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Now this card does have some bulk to it, so I'm going to recommend that you place that inside the envelope while we assemble it. Fold the side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And there is our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this card really fun to make? Lots of different layers and lots of different embellishments for sure, but it totally makes the card and really worth it. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.